news. This is what we have been waiting for. Italy don't really do us well for this second phase where we say they reopen. This one are things where you need to know about the relaunch decree. As I first come yesterday, I say they conclude that on the Wednesday, say yes, they want share document for undocumented migrants where they under agriculture and at the same time or domestic workers. These domestic workers where they talk about that, maybe all those people where they under Abadante and all that classified, but they will explain more later. Say this thing will kick up on the 1st of June 2000 and this 1st of June where we want enter so and you feel apply. And one thing where good be say this application, if you apply for this document within that 6 months, say you get work with them, he say you feel carry them go back to convert them so that it go become work permit for you. And the good thing be say as immediately you show that grant, maybe custodian now you go, or maybe you go missing that car to make they help you, or na calf you go, they go give you are entitled to 160 euro. And for your those ones will be said already they work, they want ask because this question will come up say me with already they work where I not get contract, what I go do once you apply for this 6 months sanatoria, you go give your oga carry and go give them. Your guy is also entitled to 400 euro instantly, and you will apply for them, you are entitled to 160 euro. Bam! So you be say you not get too much problem again. My brother, if they give you for a side, I will remember Full Gospel Comrade Presenter Elvis na my name. So once again, I want to let you know, say some people where they ask, say, can I travel to Italy? Can this summer be possible again? And secondly, are they the north side of Italy? Can I go to the south? Can I go to other region from region? They say the traveling ban will be lifted on 3rd of June this year. Where would they so? And secondly, for those where we say those one will be say we see they use a self-certification paper. He said that one go hand for this 18th format again. We don't need those paper to take the certify ourselves. And thirdly, they still let us know say 500 bonus for stay at home. Don't they available for any family where be say their income for year reach 40,000 or below 40,000 euro. He said that for stay at home, you are entitled to 500 euro. And secondly, they say for city where be say this thing a good thing. I mean, my brother, I'm gonna declare for Italy Parliament. Hi! Even if they say they never to sign and finish, but this thing are good news as far as say all of them don't agree, say they want to do one. I thank God for every immigrant. I thank God for the go on, my brother. Another one knock to re-enter my ears. Say man. You will be say you be seasonal worker, you be freelancer, or maybe you dey into self-business. He said you are still entitled to your 600 euro bonus. And secondly, if you dey critical position, condition, those ones will be say dey critical condition, then say you are entitled to claim 1,000. It never finish, so I see the talk and they go. As the Ogboga story they go. Here, Matt put here for my man, say man, he said you are entitled to 500 euro in case you want to buy alternative means of transportation. Maybe say everybody not go they sit down for a side trade, they compat each other. So in case you be say you dey city where be say past 50,000 people, you are entitled to 500 euro to go buy your own motorcycle, and you must make sure say you the driver. And he still let us know say for those people who do permits or what they call a partaker for waka to permit your motor or bicycle to move, especially those ones where they ride machine. Those people where they ride machine we buy that permit to drive around. I don't know what they call them, but you know now. He said now if you be say you buy them before and you not use them, he said you are still entitled to use it. This one sweets me well. And secondly, they still say those babysitter bonus is still there for those parents will be say because say school door closed now, and they know say expenses go there for parents. And now make the talk and say you will be parent, you are entitled to about 1,200 claim in case to ease your babysitting allowance so that you go feel they go your work. And this one. Now the news where they come from Full Gospel Comrade. Now concerning the Italy relaunch decree. I bet show me love now. Make you click on subscription. Try share out to our brothers. Make them know the true story. You dey ask now, you dey think am. I beg, make we find out how you want fit to apply. But for you to dey eligible, it means say you must first for that this sanatoria document where we dey talk about this 6 months document. For you to dey eligible, it means say you must first dey Italy. You must dey Italy since 2 months back. Now be say you dey Italy during March to this time, and not be all those people wey be say just new come after March. You say you not dey qualify for this resident permit. So make we understand that. Say for you to apply for this resident permit of 6 months, wey be say if you don't get am, you go fit use am go convert am to work permit. If you use am get work, you say you need to dey Italy back before that March this thing, and you never see travel come up for Italy since March. Now make you go there eligible. But my life, show me love now. Click on the subscribe button. Make the ministry they move on. So if there is anything you didn't understand very well, please leave your comment at the comment section. We are together in this together, and together we will conquer our world, and together every good things will be coming to us. In Jesus' name I pray. Ciao. Stay safe until then, and make sure you obey the rules.